Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh coffee using coffee beans with your DeLonghi Magnifica machine. Let's go! First step, go to your DeLonghi ESAM3200 Magnifica super fully automatic espresso machine. Wow, this is a coffee maker. And for the first thing, we have to refill the water tank. Yeah. Pull out the water tank out of the appliance. Then you have to fill in, top up the water tank until you reach the maximum range with fresh, cold water. Yeah, this water is nice to make fresh coffee with your Magnifica super fully automatic espresso machine. Let's go back to the machine and push the water tank back in position. Only slide it in position. Now, water job is done, as you can see. Good job! Let's head up to step number 2. On the top side of your machine, there are 2 covers. The left cover is for the coffee beans, and the center cover is for the filter coffee. This is ready coffee. You can give it into the center of the machine, but only 1 cup. Now, let's open the coffee beans basket, as you can see. Yeah, slide it. Oh, yeah. Use a scissor for this and have a look for your fingers protected. Now, smell the freshness. Oh, delicious. Open the cover and then you can take the fresh, delicious coffee beans and dip them into the bean tank. Fill up the beans container with fresh coffee beans. Oh yeah, then you have to smell again on them because it's so nice. There, as you can see, is a grinding adjustment knob, but this knob you only need if it is necessary. In the normal way to use this machine, you do not have to rotate on this knob. So now close the cover and the machine is ready to use. Okay, now let's make fresh coffee. Whoa, by using coffee beans. This will be nice. Okay, let's go. First step, push on the machine. Supported. The machine is all ready. Now it's time to heat the machine up a little bit. I am placing or chill and relaxing a cup under the water extracting system, because now the machine is making a little bit water spreading out. This is normal, really. Then lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamier coffee, okay? And this is good that you are not hurting yourself by the hot water. A little tip for hotter coffee is, before delivering the coffee, perform a rinse cycle by pressing the rinse button. This hot water is delivered from the spout, heating the internal circuits of the pillions and thus raising the coffee temperature. Warm the cups by rising them with hot water. Maybe you can use the hot water function, or I am going to use the water delivery system at every startup after the machine comes out of standby mode. Okay, now everything is fine, everything's ready. As you can see, left side there is an setting button to make the larger or smaller kind of cups. If you have big cups, use it to right, and if you have small cups like me, push it into the center. This is the selection knob to choose coffee taste for a mild standard or a strong coffee, or use the pre-ground coffee. So that means on the right side it's a strong, oh yes, that's strong coffee. On the left side it's a mild coffee. You can choose this and try this for your own at home. Now let's make fresh coffee. If the LED is on, as you can see, you can push the button, and then the machine is starting to make fresh, hot coffee. That will need a little bit of time, I think 5 seconds. Then the coffee is coming out with fresh water and fresh beans. Yeah, there it goes. As you can see, nice and easy making. Yeah, press the coffee spouts. Yeah, whoa, 1 cup. Yeah, nice and easy. This is delicious. Oh, if you push the button correspondingly to the numbers of coffee required, 1 cup or 2 cups, of course, preparation begins. And now, as you can see, it is done with the coffee. And if you like to more, push again. But we does not need more, so we will push again to make it off again. This is nice and easy make coffee, fresh, yeah, delicious, easy going. While the machine is making coffee, delivery can be interrupted at any moment by pressing one of the 2 coffee buttons, of course, for emergency. At the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of coffee in the cup, just press within 3 seconds one of the coffee buttons again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.